Hey, I'm meteorologist Doug Myers with the latest forecast. On this Thursday, we have temperatures yesterday on Christmas Day in the upper 30s and low 40s. We'll have a little bit warmer temperatures today as we are starting out slightly warmer than what we had yesterday morning, but very similar sky conditions as far as cloud cover. But we may add a little bit of light rain and drizzle throughout the day today. So another dreary day ahead, but at least slightly warmer than yesterday. And of course, the fog will be the big weather story as we round out the week today and tomorrow, as the fog will get a little bit better. Visibilities will get a little bit better by this afternoon, and then we'll have the foggy conditions again tonight into Friday morning before lifting again in the afternoon. So just be aware of that. Getting a little bit warmer yet for tomorrow with many spots in the low 50s as we round out the week or continue the holiday weekend, depending on how you're looking at tomorrow. Meanwhile, here's a look at Supercast. There's not going to be a whole lot of actual rain that may end up being seen on the radar. A lot of it may just end up being drizzle or mist from the fog, but there will be some spotty showers at times, especially as we head into tonight and tomorrow, mainly for our eastern communities. That's where the bulk of the more measurable rainfall will be. Within most models showing that. And then right now, this model is showing dry conditions Friday evening, maybe a little bit of clearing taking place, but that'll be something that we'll continue to monitor as well. Here's a look at rainfall for today. It's not going to be much, less than 5/100ths of an inch, adding a little bit more onto that rainfall tonight, especially east of Highway 75 and especially down near I-35, and then continue to add on to it east of Highway 75 tomorrow. And into tomorrow evening, not much additional rainfall after sunset. We'll have a very, very low chance that we might get some rain Saturday, especially in our far southern communities. But here's a look at least through Saturday morning between our computer models. And obviously you can see a little bit of differences in how much rain we could potentially get. But the heaviest of the rain for most of these computer models are keeping it in the eastern half of our viewing area. So a little bit higher confidence of that happening. But just how much, there's a little bit of uncertainty there. While most of the weekend is dry, we'll keep an eye on Saturday's light rain chance in our far southern communities in the afternoon. Otherwise, highs in the 50s again, not only on Saturday, but Sunday as well, where Sunday may even be a little bit warmer. And we may be able to sneak in a little bit of sun over the Saturday-Sunday time period, but more specifically Sunday is what I'm keeping an eye on. Still staying mild Monday, but a cold front does begin to push through, so it's possible our northern communities may start to cool down in the afternoon a little bit earlier than expected compared to the evening, and then we'll have an opportunity for rain, maybe a little bit of snow with that chance Monday night. The European model does indicate maybe a little bit of snow with that rain chance mixed in on Monday night with that frontal boundary, but still about a trace to 1 inch. And nothing through January 4th in our area as far as snow is concerned. And then the GFS doesn't show any snowfall at all with that system. So don't count on much in the way of a whole lot of precipitation or snow, but at least we have an opportunity for some rainfall at times between today and tomorrow, and a little bit on Saturday in our far southern communities. But here's a look at our extended outlooks. You can see differences in the weather pattern on what to expect with temperatures and precipitation. More specifically, the probability of below average temperatures that we're monitoring, especially as we get closer to the middle part of January. But you'll notice that temperatures do actually cool down to more seasonal highs as we begin in the new year. For Wednesday and Thursday of next week, we might be able to sneak in more sun than cloud cover on those 2 days too. So that'll be nice, even though it will be a bit on the cooler side. So we'll continue to keep you updated on a daily basis with respect to the specific details on our precipitation chances. And of course, maybe a snow opportunity next week, but as of right now, it is trending, at least between yesterday and today, it is now trending to where we're not going to get a whole lot, at least compared to what some of the models were indicating earlier in the week, where at times it was indicating at least a couple inches worth of snow at some point next week. Now not looking to be the case, but certainly still subject to change, so stay tuned. Have a great day.